25-inch trout. I caught it at the jetties, so it ate a pretty decent sized mullet, like an 8-inch mullet or so. So let's see what it has in its stomach. Okay, it's got some eggs. Just take everything out. So here's its eggs right here. Trying to get it all out. And then it honestly has literally probably maybe 1 or 2 things in its stomach. If that. It might be empty. Yeah, it's empty. I think that's why it wanted to eat that mullet. Yep. Stomach's empty, and this is its air bladder. So, that wasn't too exciting.